A very interesting big news for all Kaspa holders as we see the market approach a new all-time high. Look at it here, guys. At this point of 0.19805, the market is coming back down gradually right now. I will be talking about this because this is a massive, huge return for all Kaspa holders right now. And I still believe that this market is still going to move further to the upside. And I'm going to show you why in this very video. If you look at Bitcoin right now, we have seen the market coming back to the downside, and also on the one-day chart, market having a lot of rejection from this very level of important resistance right here, owing to the fact that we are bracing up for a Fed interest rate decision tomorrow, which have a possibility of having the same as forecast, which is 5.50 basis points. So all of these in this very video. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here, Kaspa almost created a new all-time high. That means if you bought around this very area, when this very rejection or retracement comes into the market, you should be in good profit. And also, if you bought around this very area, when we see this very retracement, you should also be in good profit. If you look at historical data on this very chart, you discover that Kaspa has been making a lot of move to the upside. And I still believe if you are not holding Kaspa, then you should be considering Kaspa into your portfolio because it's one of the best alternative coin, that's altcoin in the market right now, and is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. If you look at the 1 week chart, something very interesting on the 1 week chart right here, you see that the market has been moving all the way upward. This is a very interesting chart that you need to pay attention to, because if you really want to see a coin or know a crypto that is going to do well in the heat of the bull market, we want to see how it did or how it retraced in the bear market. If you look at from here in 2023 May, market come back down a little bit, and you discover that this very market has been creating new highs from here to the upside. We have little retracement, market move all the way upward. We have little retracement, market move again upward. We have this retracement, and market is moving upward again right now. The market is moving progressively to the upside, creating new highs, and this is what you want to see when it comes to coin that is going to do very well in the heat of the bull run. And if you notice, this 2023 period was all bear market, aside October when we see the market begin to pump aggressively right here to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now in the market on Kaspa. The market will still pump hard to the upside on Kaspa on the long term, okay, but on the immediate short term, if you look at the 4-hour chart right at this very point, you discover that the market is beginning to come back a little bit to the downside because of this very important resistance. So if you want to buy, I would advise you wait for this very movement to come down a little bit before you can buy Kaspa into your portfolio. And right now, if you look at this chart very well, you discover there is a little bit of market moving to the downside on the RSI indicator. So from this very point, market is coming back downward, okay, which is very important right now. I am expecting on the immediate short term on Kaspa for market to come back down a little bit, okay, before the next move to the upside. So this will be the best time to buy after this very retracement that is coming to the market right now. But on the long term, okay, in the heat of the bull market, Kaspa is one of the best altcoin that you can get into your portfolio for layer 1 right now. And this is very important. If you have not bought Kaspa, it is wise for you to get some Kaspa into your portfolio for that very aggressive move that is coming to the market in the heat of the bull market. And this is what I am expecting, in my own personal opinion. Kaspa is going to do very well. And on Bitcoin, on the 1-day chart, we see the market move all the way to this very point of important resistance, and market is having a very serious time breaking this level of resistance with this very rejection. it means that the market have capacity of coming back to the downside. Not only that, if you look at this very point very well, you discover there is a little slight divergence from this very point right here to where we have this very spike to the upside at this very point. And if you take the same point on the indicator, that's the RSI indicator right here, you discover that the market is coming back down. Okay, and this is a bearish divergence right now on the chart. So I am expecting that the markets have this very good correction to the downside before continuation to the upside. And this is very important because tomorrow is the Fed interest rate, and this is what I am now expecting from the market. So Fed is going to release their interest rate tomorrow, and I am expecting that the actual come out to be the forecast, which is 5.50 basic points. What that means is that Fed should keep interest rates unchanged. And if Fed keep interest rates unchanged, what it means to the market is that since we already see the market move all the way upward on the 1-day chart and having this very strong resistance, we should see the market begin to move down a little bit before continuation to the upside. So expect the market to come back down and then have this very pause around this very area of support, and then from here market is going to come back to the upside. So this very line of support should be the point where the market is going to find another support for the market to move to the upside around this very level of $61,000 and $60,000. This is my own personal expectation. Market will still move upward, but this very retracement is required, especially if Fed keep interest rates unchanged tomorrow. This is very important right now on Bitcoin and on the 1-day chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart Bitcoin, something very important right here is market have been creating new highs from this very point. Market move upward, new high at this very area, come back down, create a new high, come back down, create a new high, and at this very point market is having a significant retracement to the downside, and I am expecting that the market continue this movement to the downside for a good retracement after this long impulsive progressive move. And if you look at the RSI indicator as well, you see there is already a divergence on this very chart, which is also very significant and what we need to pay attention to right now on this very chart. Market is still going to move downward. Okay, pay attention to market coming back down on BTC USDT 4-hour chart, just like the 1-day chart right here. Market is going to come back down, and also on the 4-hour chart market is going to come back down before the next move to the upside. This is very important because of this Fed interest rate that is coming in tomorrow, and as you can see, market is already bracing up for that very decision tomorrow, which means market is going to come back down, and then after the interest rate decision we're going to see reaction in the market before moving to the upside. So pay attention to market coming back down on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart on BTC USDT and also on BTC USDT 1-day chart. And for Kaspa, creation of a near all-time high is a big deal for all Kaspa holders, and it's a big deal for those that still want to buy this very coin. It's going to do well, especially in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So consider getting some Kaspa into your portfolio after the retracement I am expecting to come into the market, especially on the 4-hour chart on Kaspa. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.